Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to learn tailwhips off my little rack in my basement, but first, I got to show my back wheel. I've never tried to tailwhip anything like this small, so we're going to see how it goes.
Hop out, go in, show out, buy the whole bar, pop bottles, go hard, this club so packed, these hoes so drunk, this club so packed, these hoes so drunk.
Alright, I got the spokes just a little bit tighter, so now I'm going to start with the tailwhip, but first we're going to get warmed up. Alright, I'm done getting warmed up. Now we're going to switch to the camera and we're going to get it going.
Hey, slick. Alright, now buy that ass off. Yeah, alright, now buy that ass off. Okay, buy that ass off. Bring that shit back. Buy that ass off. Bring that shit back. Buy that ass off.
Slow it down. I love the way you do it, baby. Turn around. Move it up. Move it down. I love the way you do it, doing no design.
Alright, now buy that ass off. Okay, buy that ass off. Alright, buy that ass off. Bring that shit back. Buy that ass off. Bring that shit back. Buy that ass off. I let her shorty cause she bad as fuck, but she look better when she back it up. I got them other niggas mad as fuck. Ass fat and she tatted up. I think her name Brent. That pussy getting wet just like hurricane scent. Get it to my crib, then I get her out the paint. We can't have no babies, so you gotta use this pen. She say Louis flex harder. Had me waiting long for that pussy like the Carter. I'ma hit it good, then you know I gotta dodge it. You know Louis gotta dodge it. I treat them like some charges.
Speed it up, slow it down. I love the way you do it, baby. Turn around, move it up.